Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to fix Google Play Store not working. First we are going to open the settings app, then click on app management, then we are going to click on app list, then let's search for Google Play Store. Play Store is here, click on it, then click on storage and cache, clear storage, then go back, place on Google Play Store. As you can see, it has opened. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.